Today I am reviewing MYICY 25-inch windowless air conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MYICY 25-inch windowless air conditioner is a refreshing new take on portable cooling, designed to keep you comfortable without the complicated setup of traditional air conditioners. If you've ever struggled with bulky window units or been frustrated with long installation times and high electricity bills, this evaporative air cooler is here to change the way you cool your space. Let's start with what makes this model stand out, the innovative 3-in-1 design. Unlike a regular fan, the MYICY cooler functions as a fan, an air cooler, and even a humidifier. That means not only do you get cool air, but you also enjoy the benefit of balanced humidity, which is especially important in dry climates like California, Arizona, or New Mexico. Instead of drying out the air, this unit helps create a much more comfortable indoor environment. Another highlight is the dual water tank system. With an upper refill tank and a detachable lower tank, you get a total capacity that supports up to 16 hours of continuous cooling. The detachable design makes cleaning easy and ensures that the air you breathe stays fresh. Plus, MYICY includes 3 ice packs in the box, which you can add to the tank for an even more refreshing cooling effect during those extra hot summer days. Performance-wise, this air cooler really delivers. It offers 2 modes and 3 fan speeds, giving you 6 total cooling combinations. Whether you prefer a gentle breeze for relaxation or a stronger airflow to cool down quickly after a workout, there's a setting for you. The air outlet is a generous 14 inches wide and comes with a 90-degree oscillation feature, ensuring that cool air circulates evenly throughout your room. With an airflow capacity of up to 300 cubic feet per minute, it can effectively cool spaces up to 300 square feet, perfect for bedrooms, offices, living rooms, or small apartments. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. This unit operates on just 60 watts, which is a fraction of what a traditional air conditioner consumes. That means you can enjoy staying cool while also cutting down your electricity bills by as much as 60%. Over time, this makes the MYICY cooler not just a comfort purchase, but also a money-saving one. The design is also very user-friendly. At 25 inches tall, it's easy to adjust without bending over, and at only 10 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around with ease. Thanks to its 360-degree swivel wheels and built-in handle, you can roll it effortlessly from your living room to your bedroom or even to your home office. It's truly a plug-and-play solution. No hoses, no window kits, no tools required. Just fill the tank, turn it on, and enjoy. Noise is often a big concern when it comes to cooling units, but MYICY addresses this perfectly. The air cooler runs at just 30 decibels, making it quieter than a whisper. That means you can use it while working, studying, meditating, or even sleeping without being disturbed. And if you like falling asleep with cool air, the built-in 7-hour smart timer allows you to set it and forget it. It shuts off automatically, so you save energy and sleep peacefully all night long. Safety and maintenance are also taken into account. The unit comes with an anti-pinch grill, a fuse plug, and built-in circuit protection for peace of mind. When it's time to clean, the removable water tank, cooling pad, and rear grill make it hassle-free. This ensures your cooler remains in top shape for years to come. To top it all off, MYICY backs this model with a 1-year warranty, and their 24/7 customer service is there if you ever need assistance. In the box, you'll get the portable air conditioner itself, 3 ice packs, a remote control, and a user manual, giving you everything you need right away. In summary, the MYICY 25-inch windowless air conditioner is more than just a cooling device. It's an all-in-one comfort solution. With its 3-in-1 design, dual water tanks, wide-angle airflow, whisper-quiet operation, and energy-saving performance, it's perfect for anyone who wants reliable cooling without the cost and complexity of a traditional AC unit. Whether you're a renter, a student, or a homeowner looking for a portable, efficient, and affordable way to stay cool, this air cooler checks all the boxes. If you're tired of high bills, loud machines, and complicated installations, the MYICY Evaporative Cooler might just be the best investment for your summer comfort.